Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, you'd have heard the Blackman video where C4 telling about him, some things I'm going with. Today, you're going to hear an example for why the Black Dog valued Mumma so much and promoted her in the gang over enough quote-unquote top killers. People never like this. But the Black Dog delegate based on who can get things done. You're going to hear about the lengths she would go to for the benefit of the gang. Now, before I'm going further, apologies to the Sunday evening Rice and Peas crew. I wanted to drop this video earlier in the day, but I realized it not go work. But telling before say the original C4 recording, some of my music in the background. This original Mumma story was a part of the Blackman video we hear already. But C4 end up get, was around some music. People recommended some platforms where they can upload this and it remove the background and separate this from that, and Unicorn it improved it, but not up to the standard whatever me want. So after trying and realizing say them now completely remove the noise, cause sometimes the music was much louder than C4. In the end, we have to remake the video. So the video I drop much later than we wanted to drop, but better late than never. So my apologies, but you don't know it already. So Mumma. City Post always claimed Blackman wanted, Mumma did. Because at one point, them say Mumma an informer. For various reasons, City Post always I carry Mumma name to the Black Dog, mainly because of nigga life feelings. To make it look like some kind of strategic reason, but a nigga life feelings City Post I carry. Still I'm all over an eagle eye. And by the way, one of these videos will be about City Post. A female one is the most hilarious of them all. Or spooky, depending on how you want to look on it. I believe to come to known conclusions. Let's just say we might have to change his name from City Post to Freaky Post. Remember, the Post tried to bypass Blackman and get Mumma killed. Remember when Sus dead and you see him come out and say, just make the man then wire them. Even if Blackman entertained the idea, it was City Post who was feeding him news, constantly trying to get out Mumma. But Black Dog rated Mumma's ability highly. Mumma will go to any lengths for the furtherance of the gang's interests. Mumma of the big links them, the police links them, the lawyer links them, the people in the ministry, Mumma of them links them. Today I'll tell you about a story surrounding one of Mumma's police links. You heard about him in the recordings, and there's other mentions in the other recordings that I dropped yet. Of a policeman where them call quote unquote kids in town. He would provide Mumma crucial information. He would provide Mumma with crucial information on the gang's rivals, and if something happened to a 87 in the gang, as in Blackman's faction, then he would help out the cause, so to speak. So just so you understand where I'm going, C4 got telling about a time when CJ got arrested. That CJ who was convicted, pan anti-gang with Blackman them. Mumma called upon Kitson Town to help him out, which is something he's done before with other 87s, but this time something was different. CJ made a crucial error. Young 87 eager. You see the senior 87s them say, oh, are them man them? I'm just pull up me and make him carry me in the station, make it look like say work I go on, and then me get liquor. But CJ was extra paranoid. CJ got fire for this body then. And by doing that, he made a spectacle, right, and actually put the police them lives in danger. No amount of links can help you now. Remember, once people see a gunman are running a fire shot of a police, right, police can just be like, alright, 1 yard. And this is the story that came out in court when Judge Sykes was saying, how can a gun hold 7 fire 8 shot? And I'm telling about that. I did the video on it. I'm telling you, so it's really straightforward. Right? A gun will hold 7 in the magazine, fire 8 shot because it's 7 in the magazine and 1 in the chamber. A favorite judge, I didn't understand this. So I say a unicorn need. Mumma had to use her head, literally, to get by the car. Right? Because you know them go, then them go up on them shootings and get a car, or them rent a car. C4 were telling her all about it. Something spooky night though, because Mumma actually told Kidston Town about C4. Not that he was C4 because she never knew. But remember, the police them never know how C4 rolled in the gang. But Mumma told Kidston Town that there was this other person in the gang who have a similar role to her, and Kidston Town was very eager to meet him. Right. One of the few police, right, who actually know about C4. And in my opinion, it sounds like at some point Mumma and Kidston Town dug run a program on him. And I was wondering if Kidston Town was aware that he was C4. But then it dawned upon me, say, if him did know, then Mumma would have known. And if Mumma didn't know, then things wouldn't play out the way it would play out. And C4 and the banker would have been dead long time. But remember, they're constantly trying to get rid of each other. So I wonder if Mumma was trying to run some kind of program on C4. Very interesting. Anyway, check this out.
Alright, what going on? After CJ and kill the boss man and his partner, then say Tesha bus drivers in. Then left a gun with Gully or Rivali. So in the night now, Blackman sent for a gun. So CJ and Squeezer go for a gun from Gully. But Squeezer speed out the lane and by reach out on the main and up in the police. So the man then start running down the same time and things. CJ start fire shot on them. And the man reach up a company so to Young Street so, Spanish High School. CJ jump out of the car left, squeeze and fire upon the police and run go in the yard. So now say man and give chase and grab him and grab a gun. So eventually now Squeeze I drive grown on Friend Street and left the car up in the market so. And find back himself a money more. When he find back himself a money more, he call Blackman and tell Blackman what going, the situation and everything. So Blackman called me and he called Mumma and say, yo, police run down Squeeze them and thing. Go up because we walk going, come up a money man whip away. So this one got money man go park up now, we see Squeeze and come out to the car and talk to him and tell him walk and say, oh, CJ fire upon the police my friend. And run jump out to the car and drive left him and park the car up in the lane. So I come show you park the car. So this one I drive now and I search which part of the car there. This some man has some cut off with pants. They don't even look like police. They look like some regular man way up there with the regular day-to-day basic. So but now we drive and I drive, but the 4th time we just now we one of them shout out say, come feet man, because we know say I to know a circle, come feet. And I say, fuck, Mumma police them, you know. Mumma say, yeah man, I police them. So boom now she call Kidston Town and Kidston Town say, yo, down a station can link him. So link up the banker and the banker link the owner for the car and get a dead man ID and car give the owner and say, yo, if police come to you about the car, you give them the ID and tell them say, yo, the money rent the car. Because a dead man driver's license get. But we are started the car and get it back. But we just touch the road and come back. So eventually now this one drive go down a station and park up. Right across from station, so Prison Oval. Right in front of the station, Prison Oval, so park up. Mumma call Kissington and Kissington come across in a car now and them did that talk and thing. And Kissington I say, yo, 100,000 more for your car now. If I not get 100,000, I not get a car. So Mumma go up on the phone and call Blackman and did that talk to Blackman and Blackman say, yeah man, no problem, I'm making get 100,000 for your car. That's free to make a man get him car. So him say no problem, I do that. So Mumma and Kissington and car talk to and she asked about CJ, is it? I say, if you can't go CJ, because I know say, alright, general boy and mouse are general side. So Kissington tell her, say, yo, that man fair shot off a we, you know. So from that man fair shot off a we, can't let him go, you know, that mistake we make. Jump out and fair shot off a we. So then can't do nothing for him. So, I just care alone and can't talk, but you know, best way them can move forward and help out with the car. Then one, by the end of that reason about the car and thing, negotiation and thing. We just say, Mumma, take out Kissington and pushing her out. That's it. Start suck off man with the car, brawling. So, boom, come out of the car now and there, lean up on the fence right there, so now I wait for them to do them thing and thing. So then I look a few minutes, then Mumma come out of the car now, Kissington come out and go back over the station. Mumma come over the car to me and I say, wipe off her mouth and I say, yo, if we do, we have to do, you know. Because we can't make a general thing look flat, you see it? So, we have to make a thing good. So I said to myself, oh, in the car, suck off one of them and talk, oh, you have to do. Mumma dangerous still, and then, you know, say after she suck off that the man that wouldn't care. Just imagine how much man would she suck off too. And she gone on back to Crooks and kiss up Crooks. But I feel them thing that still. A portion to man, Mumma bail, you know, because every time Blackman get one lamp on now, Mumma get the lawyer, she link up Valerie and thing. Get the lawyer and deal with it. Because I remember the last time police hold on upon him up a Charlotte Road, up an apartment. And then that Constance Spring police. Mumma they deal with it. But I think the money must be short, 100,000. And she called me and said, I go to Brains and collect money from Brains. So she and Fraser and the bank got it up that way. Just to come from work them time. Eh. So I'm just going to link Brains and Brains give me 100,000 and $100. I'm going to link up to and say, yo, we are going to feed general. And the lawyer say, yo, next time I'm not going to money, I change you to money. Because if you look on this, you know, extortion money. Because be $100. So definitely shows some extortion money. So just change money next time you come check me. And another time when Brains get locked up too, she did go to the station, you know, Blackman he call his soup out of the station for some man cuss. And I said to his soup, I say, yo, every time you lock up my man, I'm not see you lock up next set of man them. And I might switch them you lock up. Because I swear they lock up Brains, you know, go for him attack banks and lock him up. So the man say, yo, go for Brains with the station. Drive go to the station and park up, Brains coming in the car. Brains say, march on the marriage. Go march on and pull up. Right up here, so I swing no back up, you know. And Sweeney and say, wait. Then you just lock up. So you're there, so. Then Sweeney walk up and say, no, I'm just loud this guy. Look like a big alarm. Jim, bro, and Hezzy, all them man they will get locked up. I she run up and down for them. Every time Blackman get locked up, I she run up and down for them. Because every time when with James, she have a push out some gun. Which one me push out some gun on Crocus bag still. And she organize it and link Black Dog and Black Dog say push out few gun. They would have a white mini 14, but the white, you know the angle part on it instead of the varnish part are white, so that mini 14 is pretty. I think they may push out again the police them as well. But them like Blackman just show Danny and tell Danny and Danny say, oh, me not carry no gun go get a man. So I cake soap the middle link and cake soap carry the bag of gun go put them out a lane mouth and the police come collect it. But as me say, anybody no problem. And Mumma do the lawyer thing. So Mumma the one the links and the lie and everything. And she control a party. The bailiff man, Mumma control a party. And more than one time Mumma make Rocks ball, you know. More than one time she make him ball because I remember one night when she called me said, if you can give her a link. No. I said, what go on? She said, just go and give me a link. Drive go to the yard now and I call and say, out the gate park up. Sorry. Out the gate park up. She saw me a forward. She did about a few minutes and I said she come and forward in her car. As she come in her car, Kissington pull up. Lights start blink and thing. Man, I said turn on roof right and come out the window from the far side. And I say, how this not carried man? And she said, no man, I'm my boy man, I'm a soldier man. I'll do something you can deal with. So right this and right this someone says I run through a program for Kissington know me, because Kissington never know me. So any day she make Kissington know who me be. So she called me this to make Kissington pull up and know me, because him looking at her car and say, oh, are you? Long time I know you man. I'm going in van and them driveway. Then Crooks come out now and I cut and I say, yo, like you want man murder you know girl. Every time I tell her say, me no want a boy that come in my yard. And you tell me say you avoid him and you fuck him said we. Cause I be a link up here, so I don't link up with him and thing. So Crooks of course say you know Kissington in yard. If Kissington continue come up and come and get every minute and left and go back at all. And all night Mumma call me and tell me say oh Kissington want go home, but in shift done 10 o'clock in the night. But someone say, I'm to your car. She say, fear car that garage and I come from garage for now. I know when Mumma change car often, I see it. So I'm gonna start this Mumma coming. Anyway, I say, oh, that's what I know what I do. Mumma call me 10 o'clock, I say, oh, she want to pick up Kissington and carry mom. So I say, no services you can do and carry mom. She say, the station low on vehicle. So you have to get a drive for go home, because them are responsible for you carry mom. So I say, yeah, what? I let her carry mom and come back. She said, no, she want me for daddy. Me and her I carry mom because she don't want to drive by herself. So, Mumma called me about 21 times that night. I don't answer my phone because I don't know what kind of style she depend. But after she call and say 21 times, I'm not answer my phone. Just make it ring and low it. And another time, Cooks called me a ball. I say, oh, I beg me talk to the general. Because Mumma going like she want boy him up. And he want bust out her head. And I beg me please to talk to the general because he don't want to slap her away and then the general vex with him. I see it. So I say, you're a woman, so you want to kill a woman. I say, be a style she and down, she still a fucking police boy. Because she and Kissington still a link and he going on her phone and say she and Kissington still a link. And he want to murder her. So I say, oh, I link her still. So you know, you listen and link see the pussy and say, you know, say Crooks call me a ball and say you want to kill Mumma. I be a laugh, see the pussy laugh, you know, man. Be a laugh, see the pussy laugh. And I say, so what you do? Think him of an angel? My ball attack, but you want to kill girl. And the man said, I'm not going to pass on to the general, because the general want her for dead already. So if he want to kill her, he kill her. But me not pass on a local roots talk to the general.
Well, what can I say? She literally had to use her head on him. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.